Good morning, viewers and students. We are going to share the important concept in senior economics, developing countries features. Developing countries, also called backward countries and low development countries and low and middle income countries. According to the United Nations, the countries which have real per capita income less than a quarter of the per capita income of the United States is called as developing economies. According to the Planning Commission of India, developing countries means an underdeveloped economy is characterized by the existence in a greater or lesser degree of unutilized or underutilized manpower on the one hand and of unexploited natural resources on the other. So, what are the characteristic features of developing countries? Number one, low per capita income. So, low per capita income is the basic characteristic features of developing countries. Almost all the developing countries having low per capita income. So, according to the GNI of India 2011, India's per capita income according to the exchange basis $1,530 on the basis of purchasing power parity $3,840. So India is in the category of lower and middle income countries. And today per capita income of India and China, which are considered as a fast growing economies, is also very less compared to the per capita income of very less when compared to the per capita income of developed countries. Scarcity of capital, second characteristic feature. The rate of capital formation is very low. In most of the developing countries, they are often called as capital poor countries. The rate of capital formation is very low. In this economy is ranging between 15 to 20% of the GDP. Gross domestic savings of rate of India was 27.9% in the 2012. In the same period, gross capital formation was 35.6%. And third characteristic features, demographic characteristics. So many developing countries are suffering from population explosion. So population explosion means what? Birth rate is higher than the death rate. Population has become increasing at the rate of 2% or more in these countries. The growth rate of population is still high in developing countries compared to the developed countries. Due to the decrease in death rate, the density of population is also high in developing countries. The population problem in India also similar to that of developing countries. Its population was 121 crores in 2011. It is increased to 127.8 crores in 2015, and which is 17.5% of the world population share. And fourth important characteristic feature is unemployment. Unemployment is a widespread unemployment is one of the important features of the developing countries due to the rural urban migration, and the market for industrial products are small. So the industrial sector is not in a position to absorb the growing labor force in these economies. This leads to pressure on population, on agriculture, and leads to disguised unemployment increases over a period of time. In the Indian economy, the unemployment is because of scarcity of capital in India is also facing the problem of open unemployment and disguised unemployment. So the Planning Commission estimated that total unemployment would be 82 millions by the end of 11th plan. The rate of unemployment in 2011 is 5.6% in India. And fifth characteristic features, predominance of agriculture. Predominance of agriculture means what? Developing countries are agrarian countries or agriculture countries. This is the one of the basic features of the developing countries is predominantly agriculture economies. The share of the product in agriculture sector is also lower in this economy is due to the fragmented, subdivided, small size of land holdings, labor intensive technique, and heavy population pressure on agriculture. According to the Indian Economic Survey 2013 13-14, 54.6% of the working population is engaged in agriculture sector, and it contributes 13.9% of the GDP comes from the agriculture. And sixth characteristic feature, higher incidence of poverty. The people in this country suffer from lower level of income, malnutrition, ill health, illiteracy. Most of these countries are under the clutches of vicious circle of poverty. India is also facing the problem of poverty. The percentage of population below the poverty line was 21.9% in 2011-12. A seventh characteristic feature, income inequalities. Another important feature of developing countries is the existence of large inequalities in terms of income and wealth. The income inequalities are more in developing countries when compared to the developed countries. According to the 68th National Sample Survey Organization 2011-12, the monthly per capita consumption expenditure of the poorest 10% of the rural people increased by 11.5%, and the expenditure of the richest 10% population increases by 38%. And low quality of life. The low level of human well-being is another important feature of developing countries. The, the people in the developing countries suffered from malnutrition, higher level of pollution, lack of sanitation, and not having safe drinking water. The life expectancy at birth in most of the developing countries is below 65 years against more than 75 years in developed countries. In India, life expectancy at birth 65.8 years in 2012 13. Technical backwardness, ninth characteristic feature. Developing countries are technically backward. Even they know about the modern techniques in that countries adopted by labor intensive techniques, because labor unions supposed to opposed to introduce this modern techniques in industry, as they do not have any security for employment in the society. This has serious effect on the competitive strength of these countries in the international markets. And 10th characteristic feature, high density of population. The density of population is very high in developing countries due to the heavy pressure of population. The density of population of the world 50 per square kilometer in 2011. A high density population puts pressure on the available natural resources in a given area of the land. The density of population in India was 382 per square kilometer in 2011. And 10th characteristic feature, dual economy. Developing countries are characterized by dualism, an economy where both technically advanced and technically primitive sectors exist side by side is called as a dual economy. The modern sector makes use advanced technology which increases the productivity and production. On the other hand, the traditional sector follows the modern methods of production. This causes inequalities in the society. There are a technical dualism leads to the sociological dualism. Indian economy is also characterized by such dualism. The industrial sector uses the modern technology, and agriculture sector still follows the old methods of production in India. In the banking sector, we find the financial dualism also in these countries. And 12th characteristic feature, price instability. So price instability is also a basic feature of the developing countries. In almost all developing countries like India, there is a continuous price instability because of shortage of essential commodities and gap between consumption and production. Rising inflation creates a problem to maintain the standard of living of the common people as their incomes hardly increase regularly. Apart from the above mentioned characteristic features, the poor quality of human capital, insufficient technical education, lack of transport and communication, inadequate financial banking system, unfavorable institutional setup, and weak political leadership also responsible for their backwardness. India is emerging as one of the largest markets in the world according to the World Bank data. In 2011, the purchasing power parity, the terms of India, was the third largest economy in 2011 behind America and China, and it is estimated that it will be occupy the second place by 2050, only behind China. Thank you very much.